Hi guys! Welcome back to J&J's Adventures, and for today's video, we're here at Yallingup, dito pa rin sa Perth, Western Australia, and we're gonna tour you around dito sa Gabriel Chocolate Factory. So ayan guys, pasok tayo, let's check it out kung ano yung mga makikita natin sa loob. Ayan. So, if you're into chocolate, then this video is definitely for you. So, dun sa entrance, makita nyo yung history ng Gabriel Chocolate Factory. At, meron silang napakalaking map ng Australia. And then, of course, later on, guys, magkakaroon tayo ng chocolate free tasting later on. So, merong mag-a-assist sa atin. And then, yan yung mga equipment na ginagamit. I think ito lalagyanan ata ng wine, driftwood wine. Siguro dyan nilalagay yun. So, ito yung loob. Siguro dyan sila paano nila ginagawa yung mga chocolate. And then, of course, guys, maraming, makakabili rin kayo ng mga souvenirs and all. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga souvenirs din, makakabili kayo dyan. And then, of course, meron silang cookies, meron silang mga chocolate mousse, ayan, different flavor, and then meron din silang ice cream o yung gelato. So if you're into gelato ice cream, then ayan, mag-e-enjoy kayo kasi meron silang pwede kayo mag-dine in at bumili ng kape or whatever, and then mag-chill sa labas. So ayan, mahahagip ng camera yung labas, may mga chairs and tables.
Yep.
So ayan, pinatawag na ko yung part ng chocolate. So
Okay.
guys,
And he normally makes milk and dark chocolate. So we're gonna start trying the milk and then we try the dark ones, okay?
Okay. Yep.
Guys, this one is the first one, and it's the Ghana sweet milk. It's the sweetest one in the factory. 35% of cacao. The rest is milk and sugar, creamy, and sweet chocolate.
And this one is?
From Peru. This one is 45%. This one tastes cinnamon at the end. It's more fruity. The chocolate is really sweet and creamy like the first one.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Guys, this one is the first dark one, okay? It's the Venezuela.
Venezuela?
Yeah, this one has a nutty taste,
Yep,
and
yep.
it's 65% of cacao. The rest is only sugar, no milk here. Okay.
Yep. Which is a locally made one? Is there a local one here that's made? As in,
No, not local. We don't
so
have
it's all overseas imported,
Exactly.
is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
We import all the beans here, and Gabriel makes all the chocolates here. But yeah, we
Yep.
we don't have like Australian beans.
Okay.
so guys, thank you for watching our video, and I'll see you soon on our next vlog. Bye!